Ano ang dating pangalan ng Luneta Park? What is the largest island in the world? What is the study of weather called? What is the term for the amount of space an object occupies? What is the subatomic particle with a positive electrical charge called?